Portraits and illustration. Hello, welcome to class. So begins our online journey together. Um, Look, I know it's not ideal circumstances, but I think we can actually really make this work and work well. This class is going to be run a little bit differently than if you were here in person due to things such as supplies and materials and whatnot. But like I said, I think we can make this a really beneficial class. And I think you're going to learn a lot. And I think it's going to really help you to grow and evolve as an artist. So the way this class is going to be set up is every week we're going to look at one piece of the puzzle, so to speak. We're going to focus on one little thing. We'll work on that, and then after a couple weeks, we'll put that together to kind of look at the bigger picture. So it's going to be a really nice sort of tiered learning system here, where every week you're learning something, and the next week you're kind of building off that, and we're going to kind of work up in steps. I think this is going to be really beneficial. I think it's really going to kind of walk you through some techniques and really teach you some things that, like I said, are going to really be beneficial to you as an artist. The way the class is going to be set up is that on Monday, the assignments will be posted. So there will be videos, an assignment, whatever else. And you will have the entire week to work on it. And Friday is when things will be due. Unless things are otherwise specified, typically Monday assignment, all week you'll work on it. Friday, it's going to be due. And like I said, if it's different than that, I'll let you know. But just kind of bank on that sort of being the game plan. Just because something's assigned on Monday doesn't mean you have to do it Monday. Again, look for due dates, and typically things will be due on Friday. For this week, you have, well, this video to watch, and you have a real quick little discussion page to take part in. So this week is sort of the exception. There won't be any drawing involved. It's going to be a quick little internet search. You're going to have to find an artist and an illustration that you like. You'll post it. You'll comment about it, and then you'll comment on someone else's post. All of that stuff is explained in the assignment, so I won't really get into it here too much. But like I said, this week, no drawing. Next week, we'll jump into some drawing. There'll be some tutorials. And like I said, I'll just kind of walk you through step by step. And hopefully, you get something out of this class. You have a little bit of fun, and you definitely improve as an artist. So all you're ever going to really need for this class is just some paper and a drawing utensil. It doesn't even have to be a pencil. It can be a marker. It can be a pen. It can be whatever you're comfortable with. You don't have to have plain white drawing paper. If you don't have it, if all you have is line paper, you can use line paper. You can get creative. I've seen some cool artwork made on, newspapers and napkins. So whatever you have, we can work with that. If you're really struggling to come up with supplies at all, you can email me. You can always email me for any questions. If you go to the help button on the homepage of this course, my email contact information is there. So anytime you ever have any questions or concerns about anything, please feel free to email me and we can address anything. But if you're kind of stuck for supplies, we can arrange some sort of supply pickup. You can come up to the school and grab some paper or whatever you need. So I'll make sure that you have whatever you need to complete this course. Otherwise, you just need basic, simple drawing tools, and we will make it work. So that's pretty much a wrap here for your first introduction video. I want to say thank you guys for joining me here. Again, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email, and let's have a good semester. Thanks, guys.